good to have you guys back on this channel. If you are joining this channel for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content like this, you'll be among the first to see it. Please, pardon the background noise, I'm at home and so many things are happening. If you can hear me clearly, I'll be so glad. So that being said, let's go straight into today's video. Today I'll be analyzing Bitcoin, and giving some my personal opinion on Bitcoin for people that are interested in investing, or people that want to trade, people that want to buy Bitcoin and make fast profit from Bitcoin. This analysis will be very good for you guys. Now, the reason I'm doing this is that, a friend of mine, we're talking during the course of I think that was like yesterday night, and he was asking me about what I think about Bitcoin and when is the best time for him to buy, since he did not buy when Bitcoin was very low. That do I think it's still smart for him to buy Bitcoin now or something? This system. Let me go to my computer screen and analyze Bitcoin so that you guys can have an informed knowledge. You understand? And if you're also into cryptocurrency, you do your technical analysis yourself. I'll be happy if you can leave a comment to contribute, and also give us your own prediction, what you think about Bitcoin. So that being said, let's head over to my trading view. My trading view is where I do all my technical analysis, and I did a video explaining how you can use trading view overview. I think the video was recent. Okay, how to use trading view for technical analysis. That's like a 35 minutes video or thereabout. So now that I've showed you that video, you can check it out if you want to learn more about how to use trading view. Let's move to my technical analysis. So I'll pair BTC versus the USDT, Bitcoin paired with the US dollar theta, and my time frame is always in 15 minutes. But for this analysis, we are looking at a longer analysis, so we'll be using the weekly time frame. But overall, you can see all these places that is marked up and down are place of support and resistance. Using one of my indicators, this indicator is automatic, like this particular one. This indicator shows me all the places of support and resistance. That being said, okay, let's look at the 1 day time frame. Okay, I just left the 15 minutes. The 1 day time frame. This is the 1 day, the daily time frame, right? And if you see, something is happening around there. Currently, this is where Bitcoin is at the moment. Let's analyze this quickly, because I cannot stop these children from having fun, and I just have to finish this video as well. So look at this part of my computer screen. Let's move this from the daily. From the daily, it is obvious that Bitcoin is going up. If you want to draw a trend line, I can draw a trend line from here, and I'll just hit it like this, and this is it. So it's obvious that Bitcoin is on a bullish run. The bull is controlling the market, right? So if I draw my trend line, I can draw it to this point. Now if I now come to the 1 week time frame, because I want to do a very long projection, you can see my trend line is still very correct. Do you understand? Everything is falling to my trend line, guys. So that being said, off the fan please, don't on it now. Thank you. Now that being said, there's something I want you guys to observe here, because this is where I'm going to be picking my analysis from. There's a lot of people who go and check the previous movement of Bitcoin and everything, but at least I can tell you guys that in the past, from when is this date, 14th of December year 2020, Bitcoin was moving up. Then on the 12th of April 2021, Bitcoin hit its all-time high. After hitting the all-time high, which was exactly $64,806 for one Bitcoin, then it fell. Why did it fall? You can see that in this place there was a strong resistance. There's a strong resistance on Bitcoin at 58,510. So let's say 58,500. So if you are trading Bitcoin, you need to be very careful about this resistance zone. It's a very strong resistance zone. Are you with me? Now, if you are trading Bitcoin, this is a very strong resistance zone. The way this coin is moving, what I can project from this is that this coin is going back to have a retest of this resistance zone and a retest of this all-time high. Are we together? So all I need to do is to just mark this position on my computer screen. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to do. Then I'm going to give you my advice based on this, my analysis, right? From here you can see that this is the weekly time frame, because we want to make a long projection. From here you can see that 1 2 3 4, this is currently the 5th week. The last 4 weeks Bitcoin has been going up. So the best time to have gotten Bitcoin was here, but people were skeptical, like, what if I buy the coin and the coin reverse? It was not solid that if Bitcoin will be going up or not. But after the 3rd week, it's obvious that we are on a bullish move, and the bulls are controlling the market. The thing is, Bitcoin, while it was moving for these last 4 weeks, has broken every resistance zone, and it just kept going up. Like, yeah, it broke this resistance zone, broke this one in 1 week, moved this one, is about to test this resistance zone. I'm very confident it's going to break the resistance zone. If it breaks this resistance zone, the next thing is that it will go to this strong resistance zone. This is the strong resistance zone that people need to be very mindful about, and this is around $58,000. So when Bitcoin is getting to $58,000, you need to be very careful. You understand? If you have Bitcoin, what I advise you is that watch this particular zone very well. If you are buying to hold, I don't even know how to give you this advice, but if you are a person that you want to make profit, the most important is for you to make money. If Bitcoin is getting to probably like 57,000, you can sell off, right? You can sell off, take your profit. That is if you bought low. Then you wait and see if it hits this resistance, whether it's going to break it and go up, or it's going to come back and retest. Do you understand? Because it is smarter to actually take profit than for you to just leave the coin going up and coming down and moving up and down. But if you are buying to hold for the long term, yeah, it's fine. You can actually, maybe leave the coin. If it breaks this resistance zone, then it comes to this place to come and retest this all-time high. It's two things that will happen here. I told you guys that a previous resistance zone can become a new support zone. For example, this used to be a resistance zone, yeah, used to be a resistance zone, but now it's not a support zone. You understand? But that being said, on this analysis, right, what I'll tell you is, if you are somebody that can take risk like me, if you are somebody that can take risk, you can hold your Bitcoin, then see if it's going to come and break this all-time high. Yeah, if it breaks the all-time high, then most likely Bitcoin will go up and create a new all-time high. But if it doesn't break the all-time high, it will hit there. Maybe it might have a fake out, then it will start coming down. Do you understand? This is my analysis on this. So if you have not bought Bitcoin, or you are wondering if it is smart for you to buy Bitcoin now, yeah, my opinion, my suggestion would be, I believe you can buy Bitcoin, but if you want to buy Bitcoin, hold on a little, because it's not smart for you to buy in a resistance zone. It's not smart for you to buy in resistance. Just hold on, maybe in a few days, or probably today, or maybe 2-3 days time, Bitcoin is going to hit this resistance. Either it breaks it or it reverse. If it breaks it and forms a new candle above under the 1 week time frame, you can buy. And if you buy, let me show you something, right? You can buy, and if you buy maybe somewhere around there, you project to this place, you are going to get sweet 14% interest. Like 14% interest. Imagine you put in $1,000. If you're making 14% interest, you have made $140 just like that. Do you understand? So if you now say, okay, I want to take more risk, and you say I want to sell before the all-time high, they have made cool 25% profit. Imagine you put in $1,000 on this, you would have made a lot of money. So then that is what I advise you to do. So then another thing that can happen is that, if I'm very confident that Bitcoin is going to break this resistance zone, if it doesn't break the resistance zone, it's going to probably go back and retest. But so far, if you look at the behavior, because in technical analysis we look at behavior, and we see if you notice the way Bitcoin is moving, it's just moving gradually, gently to the top, unlike in the past when it was going, like it was forming in one candle, can actually break a lot of resistance zone and go up like that. This one happened in 2 weeks, from 38,948 to this point, 57 57,779 happened in 2 weeks. This 2 candle, and when it was falling, it fell massively. In 2 weeks, Bitcoin fell from 58,000 to, where's this point, 29,597. Do you understand? So now back to this place, you can see that it's actually taking its time to move gradually, because it's forming good momentum so that it can break the resistance zone and also break the all-time high. And the best time to buy is after Bitcoin has broken this resistance, formed a new candle on top. You can enter the trade, and if you want to just make fast money, you sell before the resistance zone, because this will now become a new support area. You sell before the resistance zone. And if you're a risk taker, you can hold there, you make 14%. If you are a risk taker, you can hold on to you sell around there 24%. You take 24% profit before the all-time high, because when it hits that all-time high, either it keeps going up or it comes down. And if you are somebody that you know how to trade very well, one thing you can do is that after it hits the all-time high, if it keeps going up, you can adjust your stop loss. You can put your stop loss in this all-time high position. So if it goes up, you can take more profit, or even if it's going to reverse, it's coming down, it will hit your stop loss and you're still going to be in profit. You can even put your profit, your stop loss around here too. So whichever way you're going to make money. That is my analysis on Bitcoin. If you find this interesting, hit the subscribe button. If you enjoy this analysis, you can leave a comment. If you have any question, leave a comment. If you have a contrary opinion, it is analysis. In analysis, people, it's not compulsory you must agree with everything I say, but in analysis, people have different opinion. You can actually hear your opinion and leave a comment, and I'm going to reply you guys. And if you find this content interesting, hit the subscribe button. If you want me to do more of this kind of analysis, also let me know, because this is the first time I'm actually doing an on-screen analysis. I hope you guys make money from this, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. MC Agabi signing off.